A little throwback for you. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lacquora. If you're not new, welcome back. I drink way too much coffee and it's jungle here, so strap in, get ready. We're doing Ipsy today. And you'll probably have to deal with this on my head for like most of the video because I just took a shower. My hair is dramatically long and really curly and really stinking wet because I do not air dry it. I do not scrunch, well, I'm sorry, I do not blow dry it. I do not scrunch it. I literally leave my hair soaking wet, wrap it in a towel for a few hours, and then take it out of the towel and let it air dry. So, you got a towel wrap video. This is the May Ipsy Plus. This is a thick bag. Look at, stuff is like sticking out of the bag, including bubble wrap. So the first thing that I grabbed out of this bag is there any, hold on, I see this doesn't tell you about anything that's in the bag, so never mind. From Shauna B, Miami, and it looks like there is a brush set here. We got a 5-piece brush set. We've got a setting brush, a all-over shadow brush. They're very soft. A pencil brush, a tapered blending brush, and a precision blending brush. I don't have a brush like this, and it's very intriguing to me. So there we have those 5 brushes. They're very lightweight and like plasticky sounding, but they feel nice. So the next thing in here is a big green box. Benton Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam. Box looks like this. All right, so it says directions to use: squeeze a suitable amount, add water and lather, massage into face, and rinse with lukewarm water. So it says to protect this product from direct sunlight, which is why it would be in this dark tube. It is made in Korea and it's dermatologically tested. Benton Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam is a moist and purifying cleanser enriched with green tea from Bonsga, which is the most famous tea producing area in Korea. The cleanser helps clear and healthy cleansing without skin tightening while leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and vitalized. Well, that's interesting. We were running out of cleanser in our shower, so that's going to come in handy. The next thing in this box is an Ofra Ultra Pigmented Pressed Blush in the shade Blush Rose. Packaging looks really nice, Ofra. When did you come out with this like teal color? I thought you were black and white. Oh, look at that mirror. That's so satisfying. That is a pretty blush, though. Oh, that's so soft and pretty. I like that. I'm excited for that, guys. That's cool. I like that. The next thing in the box is from Tarte. It's the Tarte Maracuja Loose. It's the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the color Orchid. Packaging is really cute. Okay, I feel a theme going. Oh! It's a click. What? It clicks. Wow. Ooh. Okay. It's like the exact color of my lips, which is awesome. Talk about the perfect lip oil like gloss for summertime in your purse. And it smells like really good coconuts. Like something really yummy. But I don't like coconut. Like something... I don't like to eat coconut. Like something yummy that you would want to smell. I don't know. Okay, so then this is the Illuminati and Isa. Is it? Oh, it's in bubble wrap and cellophane. All right. Excuse me. Well, that was some packaging to get into. So this is the Illuminati and Isa, designed by Isabelle Baudois. Okay, so you saw how well that was like packaged up. It was cellophane wrapped and it was wrapped in that, and I still have a broken mirror. So that really sucks. This would have been a really nice mirror, but that's shitty. I got a broken mirror. I'm not happy about that. I'm kind of sad. But on the other side, this is a really pretty pastel palette for Mother's Day and like Pride coming up soon. I love that this yellow shade is called 1996. Yeah, so let's jump into this. Let's do a try on portion and we will try these on. So I am going to go do the rest of my face and then we will come back and try out the brushes with the eyeshadow palette and this below. Okay. So we'll just, it's really light. It's very subtle. But I like that. Like, I feel like I can't go too much on it. I mean, I guess I could probably, but it doesn't look crazy, even if I, you know, went ham. It's very soft. And I like that. I like that a lot. Nice job, Ofra. Nice. While we're using Ofra, I'm going to go in with Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut. Okay. So let's use some of these brushes that we got. I'm just bouncing all over the place. And we are going to use this palette here. I'm really interested in this blue and this like metallic-y purple blue shade. So we're going to go in with Ray Ray, the light baby blue that we have here. And I'm really packing it. I don't know if I'm a fan of that brush. And this is a very subtle shade. I didn't like that brush. I'm going to take this Precision blending brush and I'm going to go into the Purple Haze shade and I am just going to apply that to the inner third here and like in kind of like a circular motion. And then again, with that precision blending brush, I'm going to go into this azul blue shade and hit the outer corner. I don't like that. I'm going to use baby blending brush. Try that again. Ray Ray. Azul. Ray Ray. Purple. Okay, and so now I'm going to go in with that purple dream color. It's iridescent, which is cool, except now it doesn't go with the look. All right, so I'm gonna wet this all over shadow brush and see if I go in with the purple dream. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna put them right here so that I can see them.
Hiya, Coco.
Why don't you take Coco outside with you? You can go out my door.
Sure. Come on, Coco. What's that?
So that made a heck of a difference, huh? Like putting some wetness on my brush, and look at how wet it is now and like shimmery. I like that. I love you.
I love you too.
So it seems like the way to do it is to wet your brush, wet your surface, and then go in with some on your brush, but then also go in with your finger on top. Like you have to work for this one, but it's not a bad color. I just went into the wrong one. I want to go into that Ray Ray color again and just hit the tops. It's very cool toned. But I like that. And then with the pencil brush, we're gonna take Purple Haze, and we're just gonna go underneath. The lash line, just like that. There's this really white shade in there too, and this really black shade. That is the eye look that I created with this Illuminati palette. All right, so we're gonna go in with this purple liner, this Stay Put Milani purple liner, this one. And I'm just gonna go finish up, do my mascara, and I will be, my setting spray, and I'll be right back. All right. So there is the completed makeup look with the May's Ipsy Plus Glam Bag. All in all, I liked this. I was really sad that my mirror was broken, yes, but does that affect the quality of the makeup that's inside? No, let's be real. Cosmetics has nothing to do with the actual product. The actual product was really good. And chances are that I paid less than the palette is even worth for the whole box. So I'm really not too torn up about the mirror. Does it suck? Yeah. If I wanted to travel with this palette, would this have been an awesome mirror to do my whole makeup in? Yes, absolutely. Do I have other palettes that I have really awesome mirrors in, or even another mirror that I could use instead? Yeah. So I'm not, it doesn't sway my decision of how this box or this bag was because the mirror was broken. It just kind of sucks, you know? So I really liked this palette, at least the lighter pastel-y shades that I did try. I am intrigued by this Izzy color just because, like, talk about, this is going to be amazing come, like, New Year's Eve. I'm going to wear this on New Year's Eve, 100%, definitely. I really love this lip oil, the Maracuja lip oil, the Juicy Lip. Maracuja Juicy Lip in Orchid. I love it. It's like my perfect lip shade, and it's so comfortable. It's totally sticky and messy, and it's going to get all over my face, but you know what? I don't even care because my lips are cozy. These brushes, they were kind of sharp and pointy, and not for me. I didn't like them. I have softer brushes than, and I'm sorry, but what is this for? I guess you could set under the eyes with it, but why did it come in an eye brush? I don't know, set. Yeah, the only one that I really liked out of this was the precision blending brush, because I don't have anything like this shape, and it was scratchy and pokey, but I don't have anything this shape, so it was interesting to use. I liked that. And then, so we got 1, 2, what was the other thing? Oh, the blush. I put it away. I love this blush. This blush was my perfect blush. Like, it wasn't too, I could even put some more on. It wasn't too pink. It wasn't too mauve. It wasn't too punchy. I can go ham. I can add more. I could go less. It's very natural and soft, and I appreciate that because it's hard to find on a blush. But yeah, I liked this box overall. Like, this bag, definitely a win. Definitely a win. And I love Ofra's new packaging. Old packaging, Ofra, new packaging, Ofra. Beautiful. Love it. Even love this. This color is like everywhere now, but I love the color of it. It's like one of my favorite colors. Anyways. Oh, and this, I haven't tried this out yet, but I will try this out and keep you posted to see how we like this in our shower. But yes, anyways, that was all for this one, guys. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the little jungle. Join the jungle. It's not little. Join the jungle. Join the little jungle? No. Join the jungle. It's pretty fun around here. We think so, and we like having you. So join us and see more. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wow. And now we're here. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Bye, guys. Have a good one.